Have you ever wondered why your grocery bill seems higher every year, even though you're buying the exact same items? Or why a cup of coffee that used to cost $2 is now $5? That's inflation at work. In this video, we'll break down what inflation really is, why it happens, and how it affects you. In simple terms, anyone can understand. Inflation is simply the rise in prices of goods and services over time. In other words, it's when your money slowly loses its purchasing power. Think of it like this: $100 today won't buy you the same amount of stuff in 10 years. If inflation averages 3% per year, that $100 will only buy you about $74 worth of goods a decade from now. That's why people say money loses value over time. There are a few main reasons inflation happens. Demand pull inflation. This happens when demand is higher than supply. Imagine everyone rushing to buy houses or cars, but there aren't enough to go around. Prices go up. Cost push inflation. When it becomes more expensive to make products, like higher wages, fuel costs, or raw materials, businesses pass that cost on to you. Monetary policy. When central banks like the Federal Reserve print more money or keep interest rates low, there's more money in circulation. That often fuels higher prices. Inflation impacts your daily life more than you realize. It affects your grocery bills, gas prices, rent, and even your long-term savings. If inflation rises faster than your income, your standard of living actually goes down. And here's a key point: inflation isn't always bad. A small, steady level of inflation, around 2% per year, is considered healthy for the economy. But when inflation spikes, like we've seen recently, it creates serious problems for households and businesses. So what can you do? The best way to protect yourself from inflation is by investing. Assets like stocks, real estate, or even inflation-protected bonds can help your money grow faster than inflation eats it away. Saving money in a bank account might feel safe, but if inflation is 5% and your savings earn 1%, you're actually losing money every year. So that's inflation in a nutshell, the invisible force that makes your money worth less over time. How have you personally felt inflation in your groceries, gas, housing? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want simple, beginner-friendly investing tips to beat inflation, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.